All right, so here we are in Philadelphia. It is about 6:20 in the morning. We are at the 30th Street station, headed to New York City on the Acela high-speed train. I got the ticket for $150. They have cheaper Amtrak. This is just the bullet train, and again, taking the high-speed train to show you the experience. This train leaves at 6:37, headed towards Boston, but I'm getting off in New York. It's 6:18. Does not say the track yet, but I want to see if they've got some breakfast here. I don't see any restaurants or anything. But yeah, we'll be arriving into, I believe, what is Penn Station in New York here a little later on in the video. Oh, there we go. Duncan. What do I want? So I'll get some food and we'll pick up soon. Looks like it's going to be a full train today. Got a long line getting on board this bad boy. Seems like it's on time now. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right. Okay.
Thank you so much. I knew that I would be sitting in someone's seat eventually on this one.
Odd situation.
Does it do audio also?
Yeah, it records everything. Okay. There's the exit over here. Took about an hour and 10 minutes. Had to make sure I had my wallet and my cell phone. Okay, so Penn Station here. Where's the exit? Oh goodness. Signs couldn't be any worse. There's an exit sign. Oh. Madison Square Garden, 8th Ave and 33rd Street.
Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Acela train 2150 en route to Boston with intermediate stops at Stanford, Providence, Route 128, and Boston by Bay. Passengers should proceed to track 14 minutes. Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Acela train 2150 en route to Boston with intermediate stops. Passengers should proceed to track 14 minutes.
Alright. So I have to go to Times Square. That's where my hotel is.
Now volume on track 3 going east and west.
There's the old Empire State Building there.
East Orange, Brick Church, Orange, Highland Avenue, Mountain Station.
This is literally right underneath the Madison Square Garden. Moynihan train hall. Alright. Yeah, so we literally just came out from underneath the where the Knicks and the New York Rangers play. So I'm gonna get a Uber and I'll contact you in a minute. So as it turns out, my hotel is actually closer than I thought. It's less than half a mile away, so it's a 10-minute walk. I'll just walk it out. That's pretty good. Walking distance. There's truly no other city like this in the world. Maybe Tokyo. Tokyo's not a melting pot. Cultures. Whoa. That lady's stuck in the middle of the road. That was crazy. Okay. Getting closer to Times Square where I have my hotel at the Hyatt. Eighth Avenue, and I think this might be it. You can also watch our Baltimore to Philadelphia or Washington, D.C. to Baltimore videos next.